Here we're going to look at question 24 from section 2 of the BMAT 2014 paper. So in this question we're told to have a medical test on 1,000 people. We're told that out of these 1,000 people, 1 out of 100 of them have a condition, and that out of those who have a condition, 4/5 of those test positive. However, out of those people who do not have a condition, we're told that 1/10 of them test positive, getting a false positive result. So what the question asks us to do is to find that if a person tests positive, then what is the probability that this person has the condition we're talking about? So if you'd like to have a go at this question, then please pause the video now. Otherwise, let's have a go at it together. Okay, so moving over, let's have a bit of a closer look at the diagram we drew. Well, we've labelled on some of the branches which we were told, but let's label on the other branches as well, just for completeness and to make it a bit clearer to see what's actually going on. Well, since 1 out of 100 people, 1 out of 100 of the 1,000 people have the condition, that means that 99 out of 100 do not have it. Then we could also fill in the branch over here, and if 1/10 of it tests positive who do not have the condition, then 9/10 shall test negative. Finally, we've got the final branch up here, and since 4/5 test positive, a 1/5 test negatively. So now that we've done that, we can think a bit more about what the question is actually asking us. And it's if a person tests positive, what is the probability this person has a condition? Well, let's just look at the probability of someone testing positive first of all. So if they have the condition and test positively, then the overall probability of this happening is just going to be 1 out of 100 multiplied by 4/5. Alternatively, the person could not have the condition and then test positively. So this would just be our probability of 99 out of 100 multiplied by 1 over 10. So these together are going to give us the overall probability of someone testing positive. But we're asked what's the probability of this person having the condition, and they've already tested positive. So what we need to do is find the number of people who test positively and have the condition as a fraction of the total number of people who test positively. So to do that, let's first of all consider the probability of testing positive and having the condition. Now this obviously is just going to be this branch up here, 1 over 100 multiplied by 4/5, which is just going to give us 4 over 500. So what that means is out of our 1,000 people, 8 of the people are going to test positive and have the condition. What about though if we then go ahead and look at the people who just test positive but may have the condition or may not have the condition, so the total number of people testing positive? Well, this is just going to be equal to our two probabilities added together. So that will be our 1 over 100 multiplied by 4/5 plus our 99 over 100 multiplied by 1/10. So this is just going to simplify to 4 over 500 plus 99 over 1,000, which is just going to add together by making the denominators the same to 107 over 1,000. Or in other words, 107 of these 1,000 people are going to test positively and may have the condition or may not have the condition. So with this information, let's see if we can actually answer our question. So this person has tested positive and want to find the probability of them having the condition. Well, we know that 107 people tested positive. Out of those 107, 8 tested positive and had this condition. So the probability of our person testing positive and having the condition is just going to be 8 divided by 107. And now this answer is just going to correspond to E given in the question as well.